and I'll send you, like the ad would be like, hey, I'll send you this book completely free.
Yeah, right.
That's gonna tell you how to, or like, cause here's the thing though, the name of the book doesn't say first 10,000 subscribers. So what I would say is a unique angle for this would be, in my hand, like if you wanna grow on YouTube, I'm gonna teach you these psychological triggers on how tapping into teenagers will get you your first 10,000 subscribers.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency. For the past 4 years, I've helped generate me and my clients over $75 million. Subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
On how this like little brain hack with teenagers is gonna get you to your first 10,000 subscribers. And they're gonna be like, yo, what the hell is this brain hack with teenagers? Like, this is more curiosity. It'd be like, you know, in my hand is your ticket to your first 10,000 YouTube subscribers. And it's all by tapping in to a regular teenager's brain with this like one psychological trick. If you swipe up now, I'll send it to you for free. You don't have to have the psychological trick thing, but it's just a way for them to have some curiosity. And then they would go to an opt-in, simple opt-in, like, dude, one swipe, that's it. Like the smallest shit, actually not even a swipe, like the whole lander's there. It's just a headline, get my free book on how to get your first 10,000 subscribers, like, you know, tapping into. And also what I would do is I would go on Google and search, what's the most vulnerable part of a teenager's brain? And you find the name of that teenager's part and you put it in the headline. That shit will kill, yeah. And then you use that as like the unique angle.
So in my hand is your ticket to your first 10K subscribers.
Yeah.
And
you know, and all you have to do is exploit this X in any, like, right to your email. Say that too. You got to be specific. Like, swipe up and I'll send this book right to your email within seconds. So they don't think that if they swipe up they got to wait for delivery, because people might take that out of context. And I'm actually pretty curious to see what that part of the brain is, because that'd be like a really cool. Because then you could use that unique mechanism in the other lander. Because if the book is teenager marketing, there's got to be something in the teenager's brain that in early development, like, I know this stuff is like really scientific and weird and you're probably like, what the hell are you talking about? But these are the things that make people think that you're different. It's all about that unique mechanism. Because as soon as you bring up a part in a teenager's brain, most of these people, do they have kids that are your clients? Do they have kids?
Yeah.
There you go. Then they probably have a teenager or a kid. So they can at least relate.
So it was swipe up and I'll send you this book for free.
Right to your email. Go for the free opt-in route where they get the book.
Right.
Have a small headline, enter your info below so I can send you the book. 2 fields, full name, email, maybe phone number. I would, because maybe the cost per lead would go up by 70 cents. Get the damn phone numbers so you can call them. Or have a VA do it or whatever. Or when you can go high level, you'll have text automations and stuff to go to them so they can go and book a call.
Right.
And then the second page would literally be, you know, congrats on getting my, you know, you could just, it's not a best-selling book. Is it a best-selling book on Amazon by any chance, or no? Okay. You could just say like, hey, like, thanks for grabbing, you know, this insane YouTube superpower, or like, thanks for grabbing this like free copy of my book that's helped blah blah people, you know, get this YouTube super, whatever bullshit. And then you say, but like, what if we could do it all for you completely hands off? Watch the video below. Then there's a video, step 1, and then step 2 is the book your call. And then the third page would just be a thank you page where it's like, thanks for booking your call, here's what to expect. And no, you don't already need a YouTube channel already, and like, you know, we can set that all up for you, but besides that, like, you're just gonna go over all the deliverables, we're gonna go over on the call and whatnot.
Okay, so it's like, but what if?
If so, watch the video below. Or step 1, you wanna say step 1, because if they just say watch the video below, they're not gonna scroll. Most people won't scroll. Or find out in 2 easy steps, step 1. And then step 2 is book your call. And actually, like, the weirdest part is what I would do with the book your call is, hey, if you book a call, we'll set up the YouTube channel for you for free. Like, maybe something like that, where you're like, hey, like, we'll set it up for you. We'll get you a profile pic and we'll get you a banner for free. Because let's be real, like if your cost per booked call is 30, 40 bucks and you pay 10 bucks for a friggin' banner on YouTube, who cares? 50 bucks. Plus they're gonna be a part of the deliverable in the banner, so they have to be a paying client then. You know what I'm saying? Like that'd be a cool deliver, like, because most people think like, all right, who's gonna do this for me? If we do it over the Zoom call, like that's gonna be way more incentivized. Make sure all their settings are in place, like do it all on the Zoom so they get like a deliverable on the phone. So they don't feel like it's just like a, yeah, find out how you can tap into YouTube. It's kind of like a, you're not just gonna talk to me, like we're actually gonna do shit on the Zoom call. And it's free, no obligation. But it's not manipulating, it's just that like you're using the deliverable to get them on the call. Like, okay, if they get on the call with you and they ghost you and get a free banner, fine, dude, you lost $10. I mean, you gotta just eat the loss. So, all right.